I am Sangeeta Badade. Today I am going to talk to you about preparative and structural studies of some transition metal complexes and their biological studies under the guidance of Dr. Bapurao Shingte sir. This is my first slide about problem. Nowadays people suffering from various diseases. I take some diseases from that we see one by one. First of all, uh, the malaria. New drugs against malaria are greatly needed. Many approaches to anti-malarial drug discovery are available. A numerous or number of new anti-malarial therapies will likely be needed over the coming years, so it is important to pursue multiple strategies for drug discovery. Okay, then next issue of societal is bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases like diarrhea, irritability, weakness, those are the bacterial diseases. Then third one is the cancer. Cancer is nowadays used as a generic term describing a group of about 120 different diseases which can affect any part of the body. These are the problems which suffering the peoples in society. Then this is my research idea. In research, I have prepared the sheep bases. Sheep base ligand are of significant interest for their pharmacological properties as antibacterial, antifungal, anti-cancer agent or anti-malarial, and it have also industrial application also. Then, what is the coordination chemistry? Coordination chemistry is the study of compound that have a central atom, that is metal, surrounded by molecules or anion which is negatively charged, known as ligand. Then I have prepared some ligand, that is novel transition metal complexes of nitrogen oxygen donor ligands have been synthesized by the reaction of ligand in the laboratory with metal and ligand is having ratio 2 is to 1 molar. Then these reactions were carried out under reflection in methanol, ethanol like solvent for about 3 to 6 hours. Then we carried out the investigations and established their bioactivities. Then after all, we do some biological evaluation against different bacterial and fungi. Then this is actual working principle, that is my methodology. First of all, the aim of the present work is to synthesize and characterize the biological active, that is cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, cadmium, mercury, like the transition metal complexes. I will mix with ligand metal complex with sorry metal with ligands with primary ligands derived from various ship bases. The sheep base and their metal complexes were screened for their various biological activities. Then actual methodology, in the first step I have downloading some various structures like carbonyl compound like aldehyde or ketone, and these aldehyde or ketone, that is carbonyl groups, are reacted with amines, and the formation of azomethane group like that is sheep base, and this sheep base will be introduced, that is in second step, the sheep base and metal like transition metals, that is cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, cadmium and mercury will be introduced in that, and formation of metal ligand complexes. Then in second step, the spectral characterization of these metal complexes will be done. The selective compounds will be synthesized by using eco-friendly and cost-effective methodology, and after that some characterization and biological evaluation of that metal complexes will be done. And after that, these are some targeted outcomes which is useful for society that are already finding the problem. I hope this is the This is the solutions of that diseases or societal problems. That is, metal complexes of bases synthesized from condensation of anamine with carbonyl compound and are widely used for industrial purposes. After that, some formation of azomethane group and having medicinal uses, that is anti-malarial, anti-tuberculosis, anti-cancer, antipyretic agents. And then this research highlights the recently synthesized sheep bases as well as their metal complexes as potential bioactive core. Thank you so much.